Part 15. So now we find how smart Murad is. Instead of running away, he confronted. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. I have a way with farmers. He always have a way with everyone. Good morning, John Byro, my cousin Murad said to the farmer. The farmer studied the horse eagerly. What is it? Looks like my horse. Good morning, son of my friends, he said. What is the name of your horse? He charged. Because if it's not your own horse, you will not name it. If you steal it, you won't name it. You just somehow want to manage. But the answer came quick. What he quipped? My heart. My cousin Murad said in Armenian. What is the name of the horse? Janeman, Mera Dil. How smart he is. A lovely name, John Byro said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? You wanted to get sure how it's there. Of course, Murad said. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Why the mouth? Because a horse can be recognized by its teeth. Tooth for tooth, he said. I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. See how firm faith upon their family. The fame of your family for honesty is well known to me, yet the horse is the twin of my horse. Horse are not twin, but just to give the due honor of the name and fame of the family, he commented this. Now this is a very important line. Question comes with the line. Listen carefully. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. So what the condition he told and clarified. Good day, my young friends. Good day, John Byro, my cousin Murad said. Early the following morning, we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. Yes, we returned. We were honest enough because these two young boys were conscience-stricken. They were quite anxious about the name and fame of their family. Whatever mischief they do, but they never wanted to get their familial fame and name down. So, early the following morning, we took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. The dogs, I whispered to my cousin Murad. I thought they would bark. They would at somebody else, he said. I have a way with dogs. To everyone, he has a way with. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse. Just see how much love he has for the horse. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse, just like we put our arms around the shoulder of our friends. Pressed his nose into the horse's nose, just like a human being. Patted it and then went away. He loved the horse loved him too. That afternoon, John Byro came to our house in his surrey and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. I do not know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever, better tempered too. I thank God. Now the laughter, the twist. My uncle Khosrow, who was in the parlor, became irritated and shouted, "Quiet, man, quiet! Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it." That's the story.